An election for the Wisconsin Supreme Court is now the most expensive judicial race in U.S. history due to billionaire Elon Musk and his allies spending more than $20 million on the contest.
That's right, the most expensive judicial race in U.S. history. Roughly $80 million has been spent, according to tracking from the Brennan Center for Justice. And Musk and his allies make up a quarter of that. Now, you might be wondering, why is Elon Musk so very interested in this Wisconsin Supreme Court race? Is it because of his deep concern over the state of democracy? Friends, almost certainly not. See, a key piece of information you might want to have is that Tesla, the car company Elon Musk owns, is suing the state of Wisconsin over a state law that prevents vehicle manufacturers from owning or operating dealerships in the state, a law dating back to the 1930s. And because Tesla doesn't sell cars through independent dealerships, that's bad news for Tesla and Elon Musk. Musk hasn't said his donations are related to the lawsuit. But if he could get another conservative judge on the state Supreme Court... Now, Wisconsin residents might not care about getting a Tesla dealership in Madison or Whitewater. Shout out to the UWW Warhawks, by the way. But they probably do care about how Schimmel said Trump needs a, quote, support network, or his championing for right-to-work laws that hurt unions. Or that Schimmel has voiced support for an 1849 state law that makes performing an abortion a felony offense, just as the court prepares to rule on its legality.
So if anyone's listening right now and they don't like the idea that Musk can just buy the judicial system, and by the way, if someone gets convicted of a crime in a state court, Trump can't pardon them. So there's another reason why this is important. You can help get out the vote by joining virtual phone banks. We have them going all the time until the polls, not in the middle of the night. We have them going during daylight hours until the polls close. If you go to wisdems.org/call, WISDEMS.org/call, you can sign up for a virtual phone bank and just dial to your heart's content. And it is extremely satisfying because you're calling Democrats who are likely to agree with you, but who might not yet have tuned into this race. And if you're near Wisconsin, come knock on doors. You can go, we actually set up a website, peoplevmusk.org. And if you go to that website, you can find the volunteer link. This is going to be a long slog, these 4 years with Trump in office. But if we can win this race and then use that momentum to keep winning fights that allow us to actually create a check on this administration and elect people who can actually do good things with the power they're elected to wield, we can make this the seedbed for something far better. So this race, this cannot be the end. This is a knockdown, drag out, mega showdown, and then it needs to be a launch pad for what's next.